The SARANG Church is the epicenter of the country's second largest cluster of coronavirus infections since the pandemic began. Government workers sealed off the house of worship in the capital Seoul on the same day its leading pastor tested positive. Reverend Jun Kwang-hoon is one of more than 300 infections linked to his church. He helped to lead an anti-government rally on Saturday, where thousands of protesters expressed anger at President Moon Jae-in's decision to reimpose tough social distancing rules. Congregation members say health workers tried to stop that rally with fake test results.
We had 4 people who tested positive, then the number became 30. But just before the August 15th protest, the number suddenly rose to 300. This shows the government is trying to stop us from protesting.
The government denied the allegation. Jun is an outspoken critic of Moon's policies. The 63-year-old pastor is now being charged with disrupting disease control after allegedly discouraging worshippers from getting tested and underreporting church membership to avoid quarantine. Health workers say half of the church's 4,000 members have been tested, but more than 600 who should be isolated could not be reached.
It was as if the JEIL Church was the only organisation subject to COVID-19 tests in the whole country. The government exaggerated the number of newly infected cases to spark nationwide fear. I have strong suspicions that this is a gimmick to arrest Reverend Jun Kwang-hoon.
The church also accuses the government of planning to provide false test results for all of its members.
We are very concerned because there were rumours among the SARANG church members that they would test positive regardless, which is impossible because we cannot fabricate test results.
Earlier this year, the secretive Shincheonji Church of Jesus was identified as South Korea's biggest virus cluster. More than 5,000 cases are linked to the group based in the southeastern city of Daegu. Its leader Lee Man-hee was arrested 2 weeks ago, accused of hiding crucial information from contact tracers. South Korea has been widely hailed as a success story in the global fight against coronavirus. But with nearly 200 new cases reported for the 4th consecutive day, doctors warn that story may be changing. Emily Sue, Al Jazeera.